I am making rose and lavender clay soap today. Well, it's actually purple clay, but it's more on the lavender side. Adding in my usual lye water and my salt and sugar water. I'm pouring out my colors. I'm going to be doing a dark rose, a light rose, a light lavender, and a dark lavender. This is my first time using rose clay, and I already love the color, and I hope it retains its color. Some clays, some brands, they don't retain their color, so hopefully this will be on the positive side. I love the color already. I'm going to add a little bit of blue clay to my dark lavender to boost it up a little bit. This particular purple clay, as I said earlier, is more on the lavender side. So if you want to make a purple out of it or a deeper lavender, I added just a tiny bit of blue clay. We'll see how that goes. But I think I made the right decision because I like the way it looks right now. I'm hoping each color holds its own and doesn't fade or melt into each other. I think it will be okay. Lather testing it after 24 hours. One thing about clay soaps, they lather right away. You don't have to work up the lather. And once the soap cures for 6 weeks, it's going to be even more soft and more foamy, more bubbles.